Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, today's episode, we're going to be making a shrimp boil. And it's going to be in a crock pot version. So let's get this party started. I'll bring you down to the workstation and I'll show you all the ingredients. Okay guys, I'm going to use the Ninja process cooker. That's my new crock pot now, and I have it heating up so we can get this going. And we're going to do the first 3 hours. So what you're going to need for this recipe is shrimp, and I'm using the 3140, and that's about a half a pound, about a pound of a 2-pound bag that I have left. We're going to have lemon juice, of course our garlic. I have some russet potatoes here that I'm going to dice up, cut them like in quarters. You can use the baby potatoes, red or yellow, doesn't matter. We have some bay leaves. We have some Old Bay seasoning. We have some corn on the cob. We have Tabasco. We have an onion. And our kielbasa, salt and pepper. And I have homemade ham stock that I'm going to use. You can use chicken or vegetable or beef, whatever stock you have on hand. Or you can just use water and bouillon if you have that. Or better than bouillon. So, let's get this going and get it cooking. Okay guys, we're going to start with our broth. And I decided I'm going to put both of my quarts in. So it's going to be a little over 6 cups. We're going to get that all heated going. And we're going to put some pepper. Nice pinch. And we're going to put a little bit of salt in. And we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of Old Bay. Okay. And I just more or less sliced my onions. You can just cut it in quarters. And I'm just using a pretty large, medium onion that I had. You can use some small ones if you like. It's up to you. And we're going to put in some garlic. You can use a whole clove if you like. I'm using about a 1.5 tablespoons of garlic because, you know, I like my garlic. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon. Well, let's make it 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. A couple to between 2 and 3 bay leaves. And my bay leaves are just a little bit tiny, so I'm going to go in with 4. And I'm putting in Tabasco sauce. This is optional, guys. I'm just going to put a little shakes in there. And I'm going to stir this up. Okay, I diced up my potatoes, so we're putting them in there. We want these to cook. And when they're almost done, in 3 hours, we'll see how they are. And if we need to go a little longer, we will. We will add in our corn on the cob, probably in about, probably at the 3 hour mark. We'll add our corn in, and then we'll see if we need to cook a little longer for the potatoes, and then we'll put our proteins in. But yeah, guys, this is it. So I will see you back in 3 hours. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, it's been 3 hours. I'm gonna put in the kielbasa. I cut that up like in cubes. And have these little ears, corn. I'm gonna nestle down in there. And this little bag came like 6 of them in. And I'm just going to put them all in. And we're going to get these going. Get these down in there. And I'm going to put the shrimp in. And guys, it's about a pound of shrimp. We got all the other stuff in here too. And I'm just gonna nestle my shrimp in. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more Old Bay on. And we're gonna let this go, oh, maybe for about 35 more minutes, maybe, because it's on a slow cook process, so it's going to be a little bit. And we'll check back on the shrimp. So, and we're just going to sprinkle. Just add a little bit more flavor to the top. There you go. Okay, guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys, this is finished. And it smells amazing. Look at that. This is what's for dinner tonight. a shrimp boil. Has a little bit of everything in there. Potatoes, sausage, shrimp, corn, and a good broth. Yes, this is what's for dinner tonight. Yummy, yummy for the tummy. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.